Budapest, the capital of Hungary, is often called the Pearl of the Danube for its stunning riverfront architecture and unique dual personality. Formed in 1873 by the merger of two distinct cities, Buda and Pest, it offers a blend of historical grandeur and vibrant modern life. The Danube River naturally divides the city into two halves, connected by iconic bridges like the Székely Chain Bridge. Buda, West Bank, known for its hilly terrain, quiet residential feel, and medieval history. It is home to the Buda Castle district, a UNESCO World Heritage Site featuring the Royal Palace and the fairy-tale-like Fisherman's Bastion. Pest, East Bank, the flat, bustling heart of the city where most of the action happens. It houses the massive Hungarian Parliament Building, grand boulevards like Andrássy Avenue, and the city's famous nightlife. The Hungarian Parliament Building, located on the Pest bank of the Danube, is the seat of the National Assembly of Hungary and one of the most iconic neo-Gothic landmarks in the world. Designed by architect Imre Steindl and completed in 1904, the building was commissioned to celebrate the 1000th anniversary of the Hungarian state. It is the third largest parliament building globally, featuring 691 rooms, 10 courtyards, and nearly 20 kilometers of stairs. Both the central dome and St. Stephens Basilica reach exactly 96 meters, symbolizing the year 896 when the Magyars settled in Hungary. Builders used approximately 40 kilograms of 22 to 23 karat gold and 500,000 precious stones for its interior decoration. The building is perfectly symmetrical. It originally housed two identical legislative chambers for a bicameral system, though only one is used for politics today. As you walk across the historic chain bridge, you'll pass the famous stone lions guarding the entrance. Since the bridge is now car-free, it's a peaceful walk with a breathtaking panoramic view of the Hungarian Parliament to your right and the Buda Castle towering ahead of you. Crossing from the Pest side to Buda via the Székely Chain Bridge, and then taking the Buda Castle Funicular is one of the most scenic routes. The Buda Castle Funicular, which opened in 1870, is one of the world's oldest funicular railways and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It provides a quick and nostalgic way to ascend the 50-meter height of Castle Hill from the Danube riverbank. Initiated by Count Odin Székely, son of István Székely, it was only the second funicular of its kind in Europe. It was severely damaged by a bomb in 1944 during World War II and remained out of service for over 40 years. It was meticulously rebuilt to its original design and reopened in 1986 with modern electrical systems. The two vintage-style wooden cars are named Margit and Gellert. They feature a unique three-tiered step design, ensuring that passengers in all three cabins have a clear view. The 95-meter track is covered in roughly 95 seconds. Although brief, it offers spectacular views of the Chain Bridge, St. Stephens Basilica, and the Hungarian Parliament. Buda Castle, also known as the Royal Palace, is the historic seat of Hungarian kings and the centerpiece of the UNESCO World Heritage-listed castle district. Perched atop Castle Hill, it is a vast complex that has been destroyed and rebuilt over 30 times, most recently after near-total destruction in World War II. The castle complex is divided into several wings that house major national institutions. Hungarian National Gallery occupies the central wings and showcases Hungarian art from the Middle Ages to the 20th century. Budapest History Museum, located in the southern wing, it explores 2,000 years of the city's history, from Roman times through the medieval period to the communist era. St. Stephen's Hall, a meticulously restored historical hall within the palace that was returned to its original 1900s splendor in 2021. The Church of Our Lady of Buda Castle, better known by its popular name Matias Church, is one of Budapest's most unique and historically significant landmarks. Located in the heart of the castle district directly in front of the Fishermans Bastion, It has served as the spiritual heart of the city for over 700 years. One of its most striking features is the roof covered in vibrant, multicolored Zalnay ceramic tiles. Unlike many traditional churches, the interior is filled with warm, exotic colors, oranges, browns, and golds, inspired by Orientalism and Romantic historicism. While officially dedicated to the Assumption of the Blessed Virgin Mary, it is nicknamed after King Matthias Corvinus, who expanded the church in the 15th century and held both of his weddings there. It served as the coronation church for several Hungarian monarchs, including the last two kings, Franz Joseph I and Charles IV. During the Ottoman occupation, 1541 to 1686, the church was converted into the city's main mosque, its ornate frescoes whitewashed and treasures moved to modern-day Bratislava. Legend has it that during the 1686 siege to retake Buda, a wall collapsed revealing a hidden statue of the Virgin Mary to praying Muslims. This omen reportedly demoralized the garrison, leading to the city's recapture that same day. The Fishermans Bastion is a fairy tale-like Romanesque terrace on the Buda side of the Danube, famous for offering the most iconic panoramic views of Budapest. Built between 1895 and 1902 by architect Frigyes Sholek, the structure was designed to celebrate the 1000th anniversary of the Hungarian state. The bastion features 7 stone turrets, each representing one of the 7 Magyar tribes that settled in the Carpathian Basin in 895 to found Hungary. Despite its fortress-like appearance with parapets and lookouts, it was never used for military purposes. It was always intended as a decorative viewing platform to embrace the adjacent Matias Church. It honors the Fishermen's Guild, which was responsible for defending this specific stretch of the city walls during the Middle Ages. The Citadela is a historic fortress located at the highest point of Gellert Hill, offering what is widely considered the best 360-degree panoramic view of Budapest. Built in 1854 by the Habsburgs after the suppression of the 1848-49 Hungarian Revolution, it was designed not to protect the city from outside invaders, but to intimidate the local population and prevent future uprisings. After a major 4-year restoration project, the Citadela is officially set to reopen to the public on March 28, 2026. The renovation has transformed the formerly closed, military-style fortress into a bastion of freedom. The Liberty statue, located at the edge of the plateau, this 14-meter-tall bronze figure holds a palm leaf aloft. Erected in 1947, it has become one of the city's most recognizable symbols of independence. The Gellert Thermal Bath, opened in 1918, is world-renowned for its stunning Art Nouveau architecture, intricate Zalnay mosaics, and stained glass windows. It is often referred to as the Palace of Baths due to its ornate, cathedral-like interiors. The Gellert Thermal Bath is closed for a major multi-year renovation. The renovation is anticipated to be completed in 2028. When operational, the bath is celebrated for several unique features. The complex is supplied by 118 springs from Gellert Hill, with waters rich in calcium, magnesium, and sulfate, traditionally used to treat joint and respiratory issues. The interior features teal and azure mosaics, marble columns, and neoclassical statues. The Central Market Hall, built in 1897, is the largest and oldest indoor market in Budapest. Located at the Pest end of the Liberty Bridge, it is a masterpiece of neo-Gothic architecture and a paradise for food lovers. The roof is covered in colorful, weather-resistant tiles from the famous Zalnay factory in Pécs, making it one of the most recognizable buildings in the city. The interior feels like a grand Victorian railway station, with a massive iron-and glass roof that floods the stalls with natural light. It was opened by Emperor Franz Joseph I and was considered one of the most modern markets in Europe at the time, featuring its own canal for delivery barges. St. Stephens Basilica, named after Hungary's first king and founder, is the largest church in Budapest and one of the country's most significant religious sites. Completed in 1905 after 54 years of construction, the basilica is a neo-classical masterpiece that dominates the Pest skyline. The dome stands exactly 96 meters tall, matching the height of the Hungarian Parliament Building. This equality symbolizes that worldly and spiritual powers have equal importance in Hungary. Vajunyad Castle is an enchanting, fairy tale-like complex located in Budapest City Park. Unlike most European castles, it is a pretend castle, a romantic architectural pastiche built in 1896 to showcase 1,000 years of Hungarian history in a single structure. The castle was designed by architect Ignac Alper for the Millennial Exhibition. It replicates iconic buildings from across historical Hungary, blending several styles seamlessly. From the soaring spires of the Parliament to the historic heights of Buda Castle, Budapest reveals its true majesty from above. This city isn't just a collection of buildings, it's a living museum of architectural triumph. As the lights flicker on along the Danube, the Pearl of the Danube proves once again why it is one of the most beautiful capitals on Earth.